The tragic landslides that struck Chooralmala and Mundakkai in Wayanad, Kerala on July 30th have devastated the areas, with the death toll reaching 369 with search operations still ongoing. After tireless efforts, a bridge was constructed, finally connecting Wayanad and allowing a surge of aid from missionaries across Kerala. According to the rescuers, more than 90 camps have been set up throughout the district, focusing on rescue operations and recovering those still missing beneath the landslide debris. On Sunday night, the Wayanad administration carried out a mass burial of the bodies of the deceased. Among the volunteers, Nandu and Abhiram, who travelled from Calicut, shared heart-wrenching stories of residents who have lost everything. They said that over 200 people are still missing, with no family members present to collect the bodies.
So we are from Calicut, next district. So we have come to our people are facing a huge problem.
So basically, it's been the fourth day now. So basically, till the third day, there weren't any missionaries available. The bridge wasn't connected. So it was yesterday afternoon the bridge was getting connected. So there were many missionaries, and it was like the people's job to do all the cuttings and look for the bodies.
Sir, locally people how facing problem.
So their family, they cannot afford the bodies because the family members are missing. 200 plus are missing. So we want to find them. They are inside.
So there have been like almost 90 plus camps settled upon Wayanad district itself. So upon Mayapadi itself, there is like 10 plus 15 plus camps already organized from the government side also.
It's getting so bad because we cannot find, we cannot know the exact location of the people. So we cannot tell where they are now. Some bodies are closely fade away. So our people do not have the future. Their houses, shelters, all are gone. So they are in the camp now. So we should help them.
So we were like optimistic, to find the injured ones, like in the day 1 or 2. But now it's almost, even if we think from our heart, like we want people to be alive, to get them alive. But we can't, from the logic side, we can't get survived. So yeah, we are searching for bodies now.